jail. You don't wanna go to jail. Got a letter in the mail. Got a letter in the mail. In the early morning rain. In the early morning rain. Ask me what I want to be. Ask me what I want to be. Said I wanted to PT. Said I wanted to PT.
Welcome back, candidates, to another Operations Order series. My name is Lieutenant Lindsay, and today I'll be covering the Administration and Logistics paragraph. Remember, take notes and ask questions. Now let's get started. So what does the Administration and Logistics paragraph look like? Honestly, this is one of the most simple paragraphs in the order, and this paragraph contains the items used to assist in accomplishing our mission. It uses the 4 B's: beans, bullets, band-aids, and bad guys. Beans indicates how much food and water we have. Bullets, how much ammo. Band-aids, how we'll take care of the wounded. Bad guys, what we do if we capture enemy prisoners of war. But it's important to remember that the 4 B's are simply a memorization tool, and they should not be used to brief the order at OCS. So how do we brief the Administration and Logistics paragraph? Now let's give you a little bit of background information about this paragraph and why it's important that you pay attention for this video. A change has happened since the new command took over at OCS. When I went to PLC in 2018, we briefed the 4 B's: beans, bullets, band-aids, bad guys. But in 2019, that's changed. OCS does not want you to brief the 4 B's as beans, bullets, band-aids, and bad guys. Instead, they want you to use the words equipment, ammo, casualties, and EPWs, or enemy prisoners of war. Now let's look at some examples of these in the brief. Starting with beans, what does it consist of? It outlines all the food and general supplies that an individual needs. Here's an example of what it should sound like in the order. Equipment. Everyone will have 1 MRE, 2 full canteens, map pens, and protractors. The next part of this paragraph is bullets. Bullets consist of any kind of ammo you will carry, whether it's 5.56, 40mm, 7.62. We account for all of the rounds that we're going to be carrying or using during our mission. Bullets should sound like this at OCS. Ammo. All candidates will have 2 magazines with 10 rounds in each. The next paragraph or subparagraph of Admin and Logistics is band-aids. This consists of what we will do with the casualties. Casualties should sound like this at OCS. Casualties. All candidates will use self-aid, buddy aid, and corpsman aid in that order. The next paragraph is bad guys. Bad guys should cover what we do with enemy prisoners. The 5 S's and a T should be used. At OCS, it should sound like this when it's briefed. EPWs. All EPWs will be treated with the 5 S's and a T and turned over to the company gunnery sergeant. Remember, you do not need to say enemy prisoners of war, and you can just simply say EPWs in its place, and you do not have to say search, silence, segregate, speed to the rear, safeguard, and tag. You can simply use 5 S's and a T. Now it's time for shorthand of the day. Please feel free to pause the video and write these down. Also, since we've already covered EPWs and 5 S's and a T, you can go ahead and rewind to that part of the video and write those down as well. Today's hand signal is wedge. This hand signal indicates to the team to form a wedge formation. The hand signal is made by putting both arms down to the side and holding them out to make an upside down V.
And all of a sudden,
If you like today's video, please like and subscribe. If you want to see more videos in the future or have ideas on a video you'd like me to make, please comment below. As always, thanks for watching.